It's no secret that America is under continuous attack, cyber attack, from a host of enemies known and unknown, foreign and domestic. And it's the duty of every federal IT program manager to protect America's data systems and networks, to thwart these attacks every day, every minute, every second, preventing any catastrophic system shutdowns that could significantly impact the quality of life for every American citizen. Since 2012, Smarthost Design Technologies has been the federal government's partner in this fight, helping agencies including the Department of Defense, the Department of Agriculture, and the U.S. Census Bureau protect their critical data systems so that they can continue to deliver their mission-critical services. Our proprietary solution, Smarthost CyberShield, integrates the people, practices, and processes required for your agency to defend, secure, and maintain a strong cybersecurity posture based on the NIST Risk Management Framework and other approved industry standards. Bringing in our IT professionals to ensure continuous authorization to operate means that you're working with subject matter experts with years of experience, who are on top of all the latest requirements and technical specifications, saving you weeks or even months of precious time, freeing up your internal human resources to focus on other critical tasks, and ensuring that your IT infrastructure is up to spec at all times. We're easy to do business with through a number of contracting vehicles, including the GSA IT Schedule 70, GSA 8A Stars 3, GSA VETS 2, FAA EFAST, and Seaport NXG. But there's no need to wait until you've been able to generate and publish an RFP to begin brainstorming some creative solutions. We'll be happy to help in any way we can, sharing ideas and resources. Please visit our website at smarthostdesign.com/gov or give us a call at 301-576-1122.